everybody is fucking up right now. Hopefully, Kitty, you see this, and Junior, because I love you so much. I feel like Tom and Jerry right now. When Tom goes down Jerry's throat, like my mom will down Kip's throat.
How do you still someone dog tag?
Yeah, do you like this watermelon chopstick?
Yeah.
I like this stuff. Can I have it?
Will you give me your MP3 player?
I will when you give me yours.
I'll give it to you tomorrow on Sunday.
I don't have mine with me right now.
I said Sunday. Today's Saturday.
I know.
You can't even put it on right.
As long as you put my music on your MP3 player.
I don't have your MP3 player.
And if I give you my MP3 player, we can... Oh my god, why are you making that noise? That's grody.
And you're not?
I'm not grody when I'm not drunk. A bitch! I have some tape. And I feel like Tom and Jerry right now because I feel like the drunk mouse down in the cat's throat when the cat drank too much liquor, and then the mouse takes too much liquor, and then he starts hiccuping. I never knew that whenever somebody drinks too much liquor, they hiccup. I thought that was just cartoonistic. Yeah. Jeez, I thought I was talking like Kip off of Napoleon Dynamite. Jeez. Just get some from the nurse, Napoleon. Jeez. Just go fuck the... Just go fuck the nurse, Napoleon.
He's on the fucking train.
What? You are drooling. Ew.
No.
Yes. Ow, I poked myself.
You poking yourself?